In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with PowerPoint step by step, even if you've never used it before. We'll cover how to open your presentation, insert pictures, add audio, apply a design theme, and create new slides, so you can start building professional presentations right away. If you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint file. Go to Presentation.pptx and click to open it. This will launch your presentation inside PowerPoint, either in the desktop app or in your browser if you're using PowerPoint online. Once it loads, you'll see your main editing screen with the slide preview on the left, the main slide canvas in the center, and the ribbon menu at the top. Now let's start by adding a picture to your slide. At the top of the screen, click on Insert in the ribbon menu. The Insert tab allows you to add different types of content to your slide, including images, shapes, charts, audio, and more. After clicking Insert, look for the Pictures option and click on it. You'll now see different choices for where to upload your image from. Choose this device if the picture is saved on your computer. A file window will open. From here, locate the image you want to use. You can either double-click the image file or drag and drop it directly into PowerPoint. Once inserted, you can click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and click and move it to position it exactly where you want on the slide. Next, let's add audio to your presentation. Again, go to the Insert tab at the top. This time, click on Audio. You'll be able to choose an audio file from your device. Select your audio file and insert it into the slide. Just like with images, you can drag and drop the audio icon to reposition it. You can also adjust playback settings so the audio starts automatically or when clicked, depending on how you want your presentation to run. Now that you've added content, let's make your presentation look more visually appealing. Click on the Design tab in the ribbon. Here, you'll see a variety of built-in themes. These themes instantly change the colors, fonts, and overall style of your slides. Click on any theme to preview how it looks. Once you find one you like, simply leave it selected and it will apply to your entire presentation. Finally, let's create a new slide. To add another slide to your presentation, click on New Slide, usually found in the Home tab. You can choose from different slide layouts, such as Title Slide, Content Slide, Comparison Slide, and more. Select the layout that fits your needs, and PowerPoint will automatically add the new slide to your presentation. You can then repeat the same steps to insert pictures, audio, text, or other elements. And that's the basics of how to get started with PowerPoint. You've learned how to open a presentation, insert images, add audio, apply design themes, and create new slides. These are the core skills you need to begin building effective and professional presentations. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.